Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Yet most people barely use 10% of its potential. What if I told you that unlocking just a little more could transform the way you think, feel, and live your life? In this video, we'll explore what the power of the mind really is and how you can start tapping into it, starting today. The human mind is divided into two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. Your conscious mind is logical. It makes decisions, solves problems. But it's only the tip of the iceberg. Your subconscious mind, on the other hand, is like a hidden supercomputer. It controls your habits, your emotions, your memory, even how your body functions. The power of the mind lies in how you train it. Because the thoughts you repeat become your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your reality. Ever heard the phrase, "What you think, you become"? It's more than just a quote, it's neuroscience. Your brain is constantly creating new neural pathways based on your repeated thoughts. If you constantly think you're not good enough, your brain builds that belief into your identity. But here's the good news. You can rewire it. With intentional thinking, visualization, and meditation, you can change how your mind works. Here are 3 simple practices you can start today. Daily visualization. Spend 5 minutes every morning visualizing your goals as if they've already happened. Feel the emotions. See the details. Mindful meditation. Quiet your thoughts and become present. This helps you recenter your mind and take control of mental clutter. Affirmations. Repeat positive statements daily. For example, I am focused, I am capable, I am calm. Your subconscious believes what it hears often. The mind is a garden. What you plant every day becomes your life. So start planting with intention. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on unlocking your mental potential. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out my guided meditations. They're designed to help rewire your subconscious and awaken your inner power.